Hello my dear student, welcome you here in this lecture number 60 for that topic body fluids and circulation. Now we have been learning important article that is blood group systems in the human being. Two types of the blood group systems have been accepted widely all over the world presently. One is known as the ABO blood grouping that we have discussed already in the last lecture, and the other is called as the RH blood grouping. Now we have to discuss here RH blood grouping. That in ABO blood grouping system we have seen that is forming four types of the blood groups in human population that we watch generally. Some persons have blood group A, some have B, some have AB, some have O. Mera B hai, isn't it? That B blood group. My name is also Balkrishna. So please check your blood group. What is that? Now the another system is there, RH system. RH blood grouping. And this was also discovered by Carl Landsteiner and Wiener in 1940. वो पहला तो 1900 में आया था, उसके बाद में 40 साल के बाद ये दूसरा आ गया. ABO blood group system that was given by that Landsteiner only. He is considered as the father of blood group systems of the human being, and that was first given by him in 1900, ABO blood group system. Later on and he was awarded Nobel Prize also, we have seen. Now later on, one more biologist from Africa joined, that is Wiener. He is the German biologist. Landsteiner and Wiener. And combinedly they have discovered one more type of the blood group system there. What they discovered? They discovered that specific antigen on surface or cell membrane of the RBC is present in case of the rhesus monkey. Rhesus is the name of that species of the monkey. Okay. So on the rhesus monkey, we know that we all belong to the order primates. So very close animals there, और हमें भी बहुत सारे उसके गुण है monkey के, isn't it? So particularly rhesus monkey is one of that kind of the monkey. And while checking the RBCs of that rhesus monkey, they found that there is present one more gene there on the surface or antigen or that cell membrane of the RBC that can be considered as that antigen, no doubt. जैसे A है, B है, AB है, O है, वैसा और एक है. And that factor was called as RH factor, or that is called as the D antigen. Because it was first found in rhesus monkey, it was considered as a RH factor. उसे RH factor ऐसा बताया जाता है. और that is also called as the D antigen nowadays. उसको आजकल D antigen बताया जाता है. Okay. Then further investigation has shown that this same factor, RH factor or D antigen, is also present on the cell membrane or surface of human RBCs. जो मंकी में है वो बहुत सारा मैंने पहले बताया था गुण हम में भी है. So on the surface or the cell membrane of that RBC of monkey, whatever the gene antigen was there, RH factor, the same is also present in the blood RBCs of some of the persons of human population. Okay, and accordingly, and some may not have that gene. Okay, so according to the presence or absence of that antigen D or the RH factor, two more type of the blood groups are given. RH positive person means what? Having RH factor on RBC. On surface of RBC, I will say RBC. Okay. And RH negative person means having no RH factor. Or when RH factor absent. RH factor is absent. Okay, when Rh factor is absent on RBC, then that person's group is called as Rh negative person, that is called as the Rh negative. इसको ब्लड ग्रुप जो बताया जाता है वो कैसा बताया जाता है? Rh पॉजिटिव में भी शोन एज Rh पॉजिटिव and Rh negative may be shown as Rh negative. Okay, according to that presence or absence of Rh factor, two more groups of the blood have been given in the human population, and it has been observed that majority are Rh positive, that more than 80% population of human being is Rh positive, and hardly 20% or less than that is Rh negative. ओके, तो आप बिल्कुल चेक कर लो. और मैंने जैसे बताया था अभी ब्लड ग्रुप्स 4 तो पहले से ही है और हर एक में ये 2 आएंगे, यानी टोटल 8 ब्लड ग्रुप हम बता सकते हैं अभी. दैट ए पॉजिटिव, ए RH पॉजिटिव, ओके, देन ए RH नेगेटिव, then BRH positive, then BRH negative, then ABRH positive, then ABRH negative, हर एक में है नहीं ये, and then O positive, ORH positive and ORH negative. So total 8 blood groups are possible in human population. Considering these both, considering the antigens A, B and D, how many blood groups are possible in human population? ऐसा अगर क्वेश्चन आ गया तो 2, 4, 8 मेनी मोर, तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 8. और सही है, A, B, AB, O, हर एक में 2 टाइप. 2 into 4 is 8, isn't it? So it has been observed that particularly in our nation India, more than 85% population is Rh positive, that too with B blood group. हमारे नेशन में B ब्लड ग्रुप वाले बहुत ज्यादा है. सो B पॉजिटिव कहने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. मैं ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव हूं बिकॉज माई ब्लड ग्रुप इज BRH पॉजिटिव. सो बी पॉजिटिव एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. ओके, डोंट बी नेगेटिव. सो बी नेगेटिव यानी BRH नेगेटिव. समझ में आ रहा है? बहुत सिंपल. ORH प्लस ORH नेगेटिव, लाइक दिस. So have you understood these 8 groups? Very simple. I'm sure you will understand it. Then second thing about the compatibility and incompatibility of RH blood group should also be checked there. जब ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन करने वाले हैं तो जैसे हमने देखा था ए बी ओ और दैट ए बी ब्लड ग्रुप का compatibility चेक करते हैं. ए ब्लड ग्रुप जिसका है उसको ए और ओ चलता है, जिसका बी ब्लड ग्रुप है उसको बी और ओ ब्लड ग्रुप चलता है, जिसका ए बी है उसको ए बी चलता है, ए चलता है, बी चलता है, ओ भी चलता है. यूनिवर्सल रिसिपिएंट इज ए बी. किसका भी ब्लड ग्रुप उसको चलता है, ए बी वाले को. अगर आप ए बी वाले हैं तो बिल्कुल भाग्यशाली. और ओ ब्लड ग्रुप वाले को सिर्फ ओ ही चलता है, पर उसका ब्लड सबको चलता है. Isn't it? That is called universal donor. So in the last lecture we have seen that you do follow that. अब इसमें RH प्लस माइनस का भी इनकॉम्पेटिबिलिटी देखो आप, तो वो भी चेक करना पड़ेगा. यानी सपोज किसी का मेरा BRH प्लस है या किसी पर्सन का, मुझे क्यों, मुझे नहीं जरूरत पड़ेगी. ओके, आई एम बी पॉजिटिव, isn't it? तो जिसको भी जरूरत पड़ने वाली है ब्लड की, suppose that some of the person has got B plus, yeah, some of the person has got A plus group, okay, A positive, and the blood transfusion is done with A negative या O negative, then this should not be done. ये नहीं होना चाहिए. क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए? Because here, whenever this is given to that person, that antibody will get started in that blood. ओके, या जिसको A माइनस है उसको A प्लस नहीं देना चाहिए. Whenever a negative person is there with RH negative, then that should not get given or transferred that positive blood. ये incompatible हो जाने वाला है. This will be incompatible. यानी RH नेगेटिव जिसका है, यानी A नेगेटिव जिसका है, उसको अगर A पॉजिटिव ब्लड दिया गया तो क्या हो जाएगा? Then because of that positive RH antigen, the plasma of that A minus or the blood cells of that A minus blood group person will start producing antibodies. और वो एंटीबॉडी अगर एक बार जमने लगे, then they may cause the glutination of that. So that should be avoided. Okay? तो ये अच्छी तरह से जान लो. इसमें एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल हम लर्न करने वाले इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, that is RH blood group incompatibility in pregnancy. प्रेगनेंसी में इनकॉम्पैटिबिलिटी कैसी चेक होती है, क्या केयर लेना चाहिए, दैट वी हैव टू लर्न इन आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. सो आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस पार्ट. So do like and share this video to your friend circle. Do subscribe to my Cartesar Biology and Cartesar Chemistry channel. I am also having chemistry channel for your knowledge. Okay? And Cartesar Biology and Cartesar Chemistry Shorts channel. Thanks a lot.